Ocean Parkway. Hey, y'all see that? It's good traffic over there. You see that? Check it out. Y'all could be flowing over there, man. Ain't no traffic. Working on them people a little bit. And start bringing the cars out. Let's see. Oh, they start bringing the cars out now, so let's go see. YouTube. Let's go there, let's go there, let's go there. And that concludes the vlog. Bro, I still don't see my whip. I still don't see my whip, bro. I still don't see it. Like, I don't know where my car at. Where my car at? Where my car at, bro? We still don't see my whip. Huh?
They boot that car.
Yeah. I still don't see it. There's some good containers right there. They probably got my car all the way back down there. Way back.
You see it?
Huh?
You see your car?
I don't see my car. It's crazy. Bro, they got so much people car over there that they probably don't even know where to find this right now. That one guy can't do the job. The only bad thing about when they tow your car, they mess your car up, bro. Big time.